How's it going, everyone? Today I'm going to be doing a cup holder replacement on my 2003 Saab 9.3. Now if you have a 9.3, yours 2003 and newer, meaning the new generation 9.3, this tutorial will work perfectly for you as well. As you can probably see, this cup holder doesn't even open up at all, so I went to the junkyard, found myself a working cup holder, and today we're going to be replacing that. So let's get started. There's a couple different ways that you can go about removing the cup holder. The way that I'm going to do it is we're first going to remove the climate control unit here, then we're going to pop out this air vent, and then we're going to pop out the radio, and then we should have access to the cup holder, and it should pretty much just slide right out. So let's get to it. In order to pop out this AC unit, you're just going to stick either a flathead or like a plastic pry tool in here, and it pops out pretty easily. Just gotta be careful not to scratch anything. It very easily pops out, as you can see. And you have a couple clips in here. Just pull that red part out. Moving up top, the next thing is the air vent. Now this is probably the only relatively difficult part of this job, just because there's about 6 tabs that you have to get on the air vent, and the best way to do it that I've found the couple times I've done it so far is just by starting kind of down here in this corner, sticking like a old card in there and just kind of finding where those tabs are. You can hear one just popped out right there. Another one popped out right there. Wow, yeah, that was more difficult than when I did it on the Turbo X, and much more difficult than when I did it on the junkyard. It's just it's a little bit more difficult than it should be, in my opinion. So if you guys want a good visual of what you're trying to do, so this is the bottom, here's the 3 clips that have to get pressed in, and on the top there's the 3 clips that have to get pressed in. So now, if you look at our head unit here, there's 2 Torx right at this angle, impossible to miss. If we take these out, careful not to lose the bolts. They're a T25, for those that are curious. Now this will pop out. There's just the single clip holding that one in. So we got our head unit up there. So we can kind of get a good idea of what we're looking at for the cup holder here. So that right there is the cup holder. And there aren't any screws. It should just kind of slide right out. So if you look at the new one, there's 3 tabs, 1, 2, and 3, that are gonna have to get pushed down in order for this to come out. First 2, I got it pushed down with 2 fingers. This little piece is like wedged under here. So it almost has to like come down simultaneously. It's almost like you need a 3rd hand. There's just, looks like just 1 tab. It's kind of on the bottom of the screen. I can't really move it, sorry about that. But there's just 1 little tab right here. And then if you have the OnStar and these buttons, there's just 1 little connector. So to disconnect the cup holder from like this plastic piece here that has the OnStar buttons on it, there's just like 2 little tabs here and here. Just kind of push them down and the cup holder should just kind of come out the back. So reinstallation should hopefully be a little bit less painful, because that, quite frankly, took me a while to do a couple of those little steps there. So we can start by putting this little piece onto the new cup holder. And there is actually 2 tabs on the bottom as well. I didn't realize that until I finally disconnected it and then started looking at it some more. So I'd recommend once you get these two out, these two are going to be easier than the top two. Get these two out, and then you can kind of just like pry it forward, and then it'll come out the rest of the way. So there's almost like a little holder that this goes into. We got to connect our OnStar here. If you have it, even though it doesn't work, I'd prefer to not get like a message on the dash for it. This should just kind of slide back into place. There's a clip right there. You can hear that popped into place. Yes, very satisfying. So one thing at a time here. Let's go ahead and start with the head unit. Of course, got to make sure plug that in. Just the one clip. Make sure that's clipped in the whole way. It's a little bit of a weird clip. It's not like the standard one that you're normally used to in these cars. Then of course got your two T25. Careful not to lose those, because it's kind of a weird angle. I keep forgetting to change the camera angle, like up or down, and so I'm like halfway done with the step. So if a couple of these angles are really bad, I do apologize in advance. I'm gonna blame it on exhaustion, and I can't even say the word exhaustion, and the fact that I'm just plain stupid. Honestly, what I think I might do with the old cup holder, because it still works. I was messing with it a bit. It works. You just have to pull it out manually, and you couldn't really do that when it was in here. Like, it was completely stuck. I think I might do, since I have the Saab desk chair. All right, air vents in. So as I was saying, I think what I might do is kind of just like put it on my desk, and then like I have the Saab desk chair, and then like you throw in the cup holder, and I've kind of like sitting in a Saab if I'm working on something. As I forget to change the camera angle once again, I apologize. I'm just plugging in these couple connectors here, and this will just go right back in, nice and easy. And we now have a working cup holder once again. So there you have it, guys. That's how you change the cup holder in a 2003 and newer Saab 9.3. Of course, if you're looking up for instructions on how to take this out or this out or this out, I mean, of course, I showed that in this video. It's not too much work. Air vent's definitely the most painful part. So with that being said, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm sure a lot of you also have malfunctioning cup holders, so use this clip right here as motivation to fix yours. But that's it for today. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I'll see you next time.